We're in a very exciting time for lithium-ion batteries right now and energy storage in general. There's a lot of innovation taking place, and it's being driven by both public and private investment in this sector. Currently, I think the biggest challenge for lithium-ion batteries is everything is happening so quickly. We want to ensure we create sustainable and secure supply chains as we grow this industry in the near term. Near term, our immediate focus is electrifying markets that have already been identified as technically feasible. So electric vehicles come to mind, residential storage, and an example of what Dragonfly is doing is replacing more toxic energy storage solutions such as lead acid batteries with more sustainable, cleaner solutions such as our LFP graphite lithium-ion battery packs. So there's quite a bit of opportunity in the space. All of those opportunities come with their own unique set of challenges, but ultimately, the main challenge every energy storage firm is going to face is the levelized cost of that product, storing energy over the course of its entire lifetime. And really, to bring the cost of lithium-ion batteries down, we either need new materials and chemistries, or we need more innovative manufacturing processes. And both of those areas are areas that Dragonfly and a lot of the industry are very active